Hi, this is Mr. Mark, and today I want to show you guys how to make a really cool arts and crafts activity. These are called gum guys. Now, usually you make them for Valentine's Day, but you can make one of these anytime for somebody that's important to you. And what you're going to need to do this activity, you're going to need some heart-shaped stickers. You're going to need some chenille sticks. You will need some googly eyes. Googly eyes are cool. And you're going to need a stick of gum, a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and some scotch tape if you want to use some scotch tape to make it easier. Alright, so I'm going to reset the camera for a little close-up and I'll show you how to make one of these really cool gum guys. Let's get started. Alright, so let's get started in making this activity. First thing you want to do is you want to take your little heart and then you're going to take two googly eyes. They're kind of slippery, so be careful. Alright, there's my googly eyes. And then I'm going to take my glue stick and I'm going to put a little bit of glue on just about where I want to put my eyes. Then I'm going to take my googly eyes and I'm going to stick one over here. And then I'm going to stick the other one close to it. Alright, and then I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stick them in there. Alright, so there's my little face. Now I'm going to take a pen, but you can use a marker or a Sharpie or whatever you want. And I'm going to make a nice little smile on my heart face. Go like this. And go back again. Make sure that it's nice and dark enough to see. And then I'm going to give him a little nose. Like that. Okay. And now, there is my smiley face. Okay, next. I'm going to take my stick of gum. And usually when I do this activity, I give the kids two pieces. One that they can use for the gum guy, and the second one that they can chew later on if they want to. So I'm going to take my glue stick, put some glue towards the top of the piece of gum. Then I'm going to take my little heart face right there, and I'm going to stick them towards the top, and once again press down and count to 10. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Deep breath for effect. And 10. Alright, so now I have my gum guy body and my gum guy head and the googly eyes. Googly eyes are cool. I've seen some kids when they do this activity, they take one big eye and stick it in the middle. That's pretty funny. Now I'm going to take my chenille stick, and I decided to use a red one, and I'm going to bend it in half where it's even, and then I'm going to fold it. Then I'm going to take a pair of scissors. Make sure I get the camera to see this. Alright, scissors. And I'm going to cut right in the middle. Here we go. So now my one chenille stick becomes two chenille sticks. And these are what I'm going to use for the arms and the legs. So now I want to take my little gum guy and I'm going to turn it over face down. For this next part, I'm going to use tape because it makes it a little easier. But before that, I want to take my chenille stick and I want to put a little loop on either end. So there's one. And then go on the other end. And there's another one. Alright, can you see that? Let me get that close to the camera. So there's my little loop. Now I'm going to take my other chenille stick and I'm going to do the same thing. Make a loop on one side. easy squeezy, and then make a loop on the other side. And don't get too worried about whether they're even or not. Just have fun. Have fun with it. And there's my other one. Alright, so now for the arms, the loops are going to be facing up. See that? Let me get a better shot right there. There we go. And then I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to put it right towards the bottom of the head, the heart. Try to get it even. And I'm going to tape it to the body, to the piece of gum. So now it looks like this. Then I'm going to take my other loop, and this time the loops are going to face down because these are going to be the legs. I'm going to take another piece of tape. Try to get it even on both sides. I'm going to tape it to my gum guy. Alright, now let's turn it over. Hey, look at that. So now I have my completed gum guy. Is that cool or what? Now sometimes some schools or other places don't let you chew gum, so it's not really a gum guy, so it becomes a craft stick guy. So you get one of those shorter craft sticks, and you can use that as the body instead of a piece of gum. And I put some stripes on them just for effect. So you have a choice. You could either have a gum guy or you could have a craft stick guy. Either way, it's pretty cool. And you can give it to your mom or your dad or whoever else is important in your life. So this is an easy, fun activity. You can make a craft stick guy or you can make a gum guy, either one. Go to the store, pick up the materials, boom, we're all set to go. Where am I going? There we are, all set. One or the other. Alright, that's it for this craft activity. Hope you had fun. Try it out. Leave some comments below. Let me know what you thought. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon.